Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer. We're in our final day in New York. We have our beautiful patients here today, and she has some of those types of scars that I call cobblestoning. And what that means is there's hills and valleys throughout the area of this skin that needs to be treated because of scarring. BELLAFILL itself has the least amount of side effects of any filler on the market today. So let me show you guys what we're gonna do. It does hurt a little bit, so we're gonna go kind of slow and just little blebs. It really shouldn't be too bad, and you want to go nice and slow. Why do we do that? Because we slowly fill. Remember, this area is a shallow area, so you don't want to put too much, because what would happen if you put too much in here? It would fill up and look bumpy or lumpy. Here is the most important area for her, and we're going to need to do some stronger lasers through here, like profractional laser or CO2 into this area. But starting with this is fine. We're today going to do a hyperfractional laser, which she's going to love overall just for her whole skin. Now there's always more bleeding with BELLAFILL because we're talking about a 26 gauge needle. It's a little bit bigger. But you see micro droplets, you guys, micro droplets. And this will not give volumization in terms of contouring. This will fill out the scars. Fractional laser for scarring, you guys can see we've got some swelling right now because we have the infrared going very deep, and on the surface we have all these white dots, which are little holes being created by the halo erbium, and the fractional erbium is going to make the skin peel to make the surface more smooth. She has a lot of that cobblestoning type of scars that takes a bunch of treatments to improve, but this will give a nice improvement even in one because it's going very superficial but high density.
Alright, so now we're going to be applying the PRP on her, which is her plasma-rich protein, and this produces collagen. It helps with the downtime. It's really good for her skin, and it helps with her acne scars. She will be applying this again within the next 4 hours, and this is going to moisturize her skin as well. And yeah.
It went well. I thought it would be a lot more painful, to be honest, but it wasn't very painful. I felt like a lot of heat. That's about it.
So today is the second day of my appointment, and my pain and my burning has gone completely. I do have swelling though, and the swelling is a little more today around my right eye, but besides that I don't have any other discomfort. So today is my third day after the treatment, and my redness has gone down a lot. My swelling is starting to reduce too, and my skin is starting to peel off. So yeah, and no other pain or discomfort. Hi, so today is the 5th day of my treatment, and my scarring, I can visibly feel and see that it has gone down. Redness has gone down, inflammation has reduced a lot, and my skin feels so soft and fresh.